Namaskar. Welcome to Manage Personal Records. Today we are going to do a short video of the article number MLB 27. Article name Coral. This is Coral model number 27. This is front view, this is side view, this is back view. And এটা চলে যাচ্ছে bottom. This is bottom. Logo, fittings and puller are nickel color. This is brand puller. Dimension of this bag, height is 11 inch, length is 12 inch and width is 4 inch. A perfect bag for office goers. First of all, it is soft and lightweight. Very soft and lightweight. It has one main compartment, one partition zip pocket, one inner utility pocket and one back zip pocket and two shoulder handles, shoulder chain handles that you carry it in your shoulders. Very beautiful bag. Available in four color options. First is brown color. 100% genuine leather and premium quality leather. Second option is pink color. Third option is red.